Hello beautiful people and welcome back to another video. My name is Sakshi Patel and I'm 5th year PharmD student. In this video we would be discussing about scope of PharmD in academia and education. So this is a video which is part of ongoing series of scope of PharmD. So if you haven't checked other videos out, do check them out. Also in the first video, that is regarding scope of PharmD, I've enlisted all the different scopes of PharmD. So I would also suggest you to go through all of them. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that you can be updated with other videos in the same series. Now without any further ado, let's jump in. Alright, this is better. Next, okay, so first we have scope in academia and education after PharmD, which literally is how to be a teacher after PharmD. Okay, PharmD graduates can pursue careers in academia and education to train future pharmacists, contribute to pharmaceutical research and advance pharmacy practice. Opportunities include teaching positions in pharmacy schools, involvement in curriculum development, preceptorship of pharmacy students, and conducting scholarly research. Graduates can also engage in continuing education programs, professional development workshops, and mentoring activities for practicing pharmacists. So one more thing, even if I am going to be discussing I think 11 to 12 scopes after PharmD, and if you are not interested in any one of them, for example, even if you are not interested in how to be a teacher or how to even if you are not interested in clinical research, then also I would suggest you to watch that video. It is only because you would know that okay, these skills are also there. We might have an idea, okay, clinical research, what they would be doing, they would be testing on humans, the drugs and etc. But there are so many different aspects to clinical trial. Maybe there is a job position that I've discussed that you might like, and even in teaching, it's not just teaching in the in the colleges only, okay, you can also be teaching in certain institutions such as CLIMED, Curio, etc. So all of those, they are pretty well institutions who pay you pretty well. Now let's go to type of work environment. Pharmacy schools or colleges teaching pharmacy students, developing course materials, conducting research and providing clinical instruction. Also please don't mind the fan, it is very hot. Continuing education providers, developing and delivering continuous education programs for pharmacists to maintain their licensure and enhance their professional skill. Professional associations contributing to the development of pharmacy practice guidelines, organizing educational events and supporting professional development initiatives. Okay, so professional association, it is contributing to the development of pharmacy practice guidelines. There are so many different drugs, so many different medical devices also that are developed every day. So in any healthcare institution, it is extremely necessary that all the healthcare professionals, they stay updated to all of these new researches that have been conducted or new research results that have been out. Okay, so that also you can have as a job, that is professional associations. Next, we have pharmaceutical companies providing educational resources, training programs for healthcare providers on new drugs, therapeutic guideline and patient management strategies. Next, we have research institutions conducting pharmaceutical research, clinical trials and health outcome studies. So that also you can be doing. Research institute, as I said, CLIMED is one of them, and so is Curio. Next, we have skills needed: strong understanding of the pharmacotherapy principles and pharmaceutical sciences, excellent communication presentation skills for teaching and public speaking. Pharmacotherapy is how to apply what drug in what kind of disease at what dose in what kind of patient. That is pharmacotherapy. Next, we have ability to develop instructional materials, assessments and educational resources, that is all the PPTs, notes, etc. Also, if you want to buy my notes, then my first to 4th year PharmD notes are available. You can mail me at patelsakshi164@gmail.com. Next, we have research skills for conducting scholarly articles, writing publications and securing grants. Interpersonal skills to mentor students, collaborate with colleagues and engage with professional networks. Adaptability to evolving pharmacy practice standards and educational methodologies. Commitment to lifelong learning and professional development. So these are all the skills that you would be needed. Let's revise them again. So first is strong understanding of pharmacotherapy principles and pharmaceutical sciences, excellent communication and presentation skills for teaching and public speaking, ability to develop instructional materials, assessments and educational resources, research skills for conducting scholarly articles, writing publications and securing grants, interpersonal skills to monitor students, to mentor students, collaborate with the colleagues and engage with the professional networks. Adaptability to evolving pharmacy practice standards, educational methodologies, commitment to lifelong learning and professional development. Next, we have recruiters. So, recruiters include pharmacy schools or colleges such as universities offering PharmD programs and academic institutions with pharmacy departments. Next, we have continuing education providers, professional associations, pharmacy chains and online learning platform, that is Climate and Curio, they come in this. Also, there are so many other online platforms. Next, we have professional associations. Here, I did not get an Indian example. So, other examples for professional associations are American Association of Colleges of Pharmacy and American Pharmacist Association, etc. Like this, I think we also have Indian Pharmaceutical Teachers Association. Pharmaceutical companies, industry leaders in pharmaceutical education and medical affairs department, research institutions, academic research centers and pharmaceutical research organizations and government agencies. So, revising, your recruiters would be pharmacy schools and colleges, continuing education providers, that is online platforms, etc., professional associations, pharmaceutical companies and research institutions. Moving on to the most important part, which is average salary. Moving on to the most important part, which is average salary. So, average salary for assistant professor, it is 5 to 8 lakhs per annum. Associate professor is 8 to 12 lakhs per annum. Professor is 12 lakhs plus per annum. And continuing education coordinator, it is 6 to 10 lakhs per annum. Now, salaries may vary based on factors such as academic rank, experience, institution type, geographic location, etc. But this is everything. We have discussed what is academia and education after PharmD, type of work environment, skills needed, recruiters and average salary per position or post. In the upcoming videos, I would be discussing scope of PharmD in consultancy, that is consulting, medical writing, entrepreneurship, specialty pharmacy, epidemiology and pharmacoeconomics. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my videos. Really, please share my videos as much as you can. Also, click on the bell icon for notifications so that whenever I upload the new video, you guys get notified. So goodbye. Thank you so much for watching this video till here, and I'll see you next time.